come closer. Come the fuck on. Bring that camera closer if you need to. Yeah, let's get Vince up in here. Come on, man. Vince is a big son of a gun. I don't think anybody's gonna worry about Vince. All right, so all right now. So Ramon, let's get a nice flat stance and kick it like this. Come on. Look at you shaking. Vince been married?
40 years.
40 or?
40.
40 years!
Y'all look good, man. Yeah, that's what they tell them.
Listen, Ramona, I would have guessed you to be about 42 years old, so you're a dirty bastard. Stop it. Stop it. And Vince is hitting that shit like nobody's business. Yeah! You know what, Ramona? And I hate to do this to you, but I want you and Vince to stand right here because I feel that this is a good transition to our next love song. If you don't mind, I'm going to do a love song for you guys. So just jump down there with Vince. Just stand right there with Vince for a moment. And Ramona, I still got your purse here, so don't worry, I got your purse. But now look, this is the most famous Velcro Pygmies song of all, okay? And it's a song that is about love, okay? And it's a song about real love. It's not one of these fucking bullshit, fucking faithfully bullshit songs, okay? This is a real, true love song. Push is he? No cowboy hat. Where the fuck did cowboy hat come? Okay. Well, let me explain this to you, okay? And because you know this, maybe he doesn't. I hope he does. 40 years of marriage doesn't happen because it's a 50-50 compromise. 40 years happens because it's a fucking surrender. That's what a fucking successful marriage is. And a wise man knows that. You see, them men that fight it, like, fuck this song, it's bullshit song. Bullshit song, it's bullshit. I make the goddamn rules in my house. I'm the fucking king of my house, and fuck this and shit. I don't listen to you. You know what that is? That's a not pussy getting motherfuckers, what that is. It's the way God made us. God made us so that women would be superior to men.